Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review for plumbing repair that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what agree. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.